get noticed in this 2008 Mini Cooper.
Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle.
With an efficient 4-cylinder engine, the powertrain includes front-wheel drive, connected to a smooth shifting transmission. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Let the outside in with a power convertible roof.
Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle:
Keyless entry, power door locks, power windows, an AM/FM stereo with multi-disc CD player, power mirrors, power steering, an adjustable tilt steering wheel. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag, side airbag, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, low tire pressure warning. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.